Imagine a future where your truck connects to its trailer automatically. No cables, no hassle. The Electrans Auto Connect system is revolutionizing how we handle truck-trailer connections. With smart sensors and precision alignment, it instantly links the electrical, hydraulic, and air systems as soon as the truck backs up. It's all about saving time, reducing human error, and boosting safety on the road. Designed for busy fleets and next-level logistics, this innovation proves that automation is the real road to efficiency. The days of manually plugging in lines are gone. Meet the plug-and-play trucking of the future. Meet the SteelBro Side Lifter, the powerhouse of container handling. This beast can lift and move containers up to 45 tons with surgical precision, all from the side of your truck. No cranes, no terminals, no waiting. It's a total game-changer for transport operators who need speed and flexibility. Whether you're delivering to tight city spaces or remote sites, the side lifter lets you unload and stack containers in minutes. Its hydraulic power, stability control, and wireless remote make container work look effortless. When it comes to heavy lifting, SteelBro doesn't play around. If power had a name, it would be the Palfinger PK1000 650 Tech. This truck-mounted crane takes lifting to insane new heights with intelligent load management and high-precision control. Designed for the toughest industrial jobs, it combines strength with tech-driven safety features. The crane's smart sensors prevent overloads while delivering pinpoint accuracy in every lift. Plus, its sleek design and advanced boom geometry make it one of the most compact, high-capacity cranes on the market. When you need pure performance and efficiency, Palfinger delivers, and the PK1000 650 TEC is proof. The SPODTRAK Max XL is what happens when heavy-duty meets high-tech. This innovative semi-trailer redefines cargo transport with enhanced aerodynamics, smart load monitoring, and modular customization. It's not just about carrying goods, it's about doing it smarter and faster. With integrated stability sensors, advanced suspension, and a rugged lightweight frame, the Max XL improves fuel efficiency while keeping your cargo safe. Whether you're hauling across highways or tackling uneven terrain, this trailer adapts like a pro. SPODTRAK built the Max XL for operators who want performance and reliability in one powerful package. Welcome to the era of self-driving trucks. Kodiak's driverless robo-trucks are transforming long-haul logistics with full autonomous navigation and real-time decision-making AI. These machines never get tired, never distracted, just pure efficiency mile after mile. Equipped with LiDAR, radar, and camera systems, they map and predict every movement on the road. The result? Safer highways and smoother deliveries. Backed by cutting-edge software and rigorous safety protocols, Kodiak is leading the driverless revolution. It's not science fiction anymore. This is the future of trucking happening right now. Imagine a fleet of trucks driving inches apart safely. That's the Truck Platooning Initiative, where connected vehicles use AI and wireless communication to follow each other in perfect sync. This smart convoy tech reduces drag, saves fuel, and boosts road safety like never before. When the lead truck brakes, the others react instantly. No delay, no human error. Its efficiency multiplied across entire fleets. Governments and transport giants are already testing it worldwide. The result? Lower emissions, faster transport, and a glimpse at the future of coordinated logistics. Every trucker knows the struggle of keeping tools organized on the go. Enter the Minimizer Universal Tool Caddy, your ultimate mobile workshop. Built tough from durable polymers, it fits perfectly behind or inside truck compartments, keeping everything from wrenches to power tools secure and accessible. Its modular design means you can customize it to your workflow, and it's weatherproof enough to handle any job site conditions. Forget the days of searching for lost gear. The Tool Caddy makes your rig smarter, cleaner, and more professional. Say goodbye to sagging front ends and rough rides. The Truck Airbag Front Suspension Helper Kit gives your vehicle next-level stability and comfort. It automatically adjusts air pressure to balance heavy loads, reducing wear on your suspension and improving handling. Perfect for towing, hauling, or off-road use, this system keeps your ride smooth even under extreme stress. The installation is simple, the benefits are instant, and the difference is night and day. This kit turns your workhorse into a luxury-grade performer, power and comfort in perfect harmony. Built for the toughest terrains, the Hendrickson Ultimax is a suspension system that refuses to quit. Designed for vocational and off-road trucks, it combines walking beam durability with air suspension comfort. The result? A smoother ride, better traction, and less maintenance. With optimized load equalization, it keeps tires on the ground and productivity high. Ultimax doesn't just absorb shocks, it conquers them. When your job demands strength and reliability, this suspension system ensures your truck keeps rolling no matter what's ahead. This one's pure genius. A robot that literally prints road markings while moving. The MRL traffic printer uses GPS and computer-controlled paint jets to lay down perfect lane lines, arrows, and signs at record speed. It eliminates manual painting, boosts precision, and improves worker safety by reducing exposure to traffic. With advanced sensors and autonomous guidance, it can work day or night, rain or shine. For cities and contractors, it's a revolution in road maintenance. The MRL traffic printer is proof that even paint can be smart. The Landing Safe Lift bag is all about protection for your truck, your cargo, and your crew. This inflatable cushion deploys under trailers during loading or coupling to prevent damage from hard landings. Simple, effective, and durable. It reduces repair costs and increases safety in busy yards. The SafeLift system is made from heavy-duty materials that can handle thousands of cycles without failure. When precision matters and downtime isn't an option, this bag quietly does the heavy lifting literally. The UD Trucks Quan is a masterpiece of smart engineering. This heavy-duty truck blends Japanese reliability with futuristic tech. Its advanced driveline, fuel-saving engine, and intelligent braking system make it both powerful and efficient. Inside, the cabin feels more like a luxury cockpit, ergonomic, quiet, and full of digital features. But it's not just about comfort. Quan is built for performance and sustainability, meeting the strictest emission standards. For drivers who demand more from their trucks, Quan delivers innovation in motion. iMet brings precision control to the toughest lifting operations. Their wireless remote systems give operators full command over cranes and machinery from a safe distance, combining safety with precision. Built to withstand extreme environments, iMet remotes feature ergonomic design, long-range connectivity, and customizable functions for every industry. Whether on construction sites or in logistics yards, iMet puts power literally in your hands. Reliable, intuitive, and battle-tested, that's control you can trust. Cold chain logistics just got smarter with the Atecal Thermo. This advanced refrigeration unit keeps your cargo at the perfect temperature no matter the distance. Using AI temperature control and eco-friendly refrigerants, it reduces emissions while maximizing performance. Its real-time monitoring system alerts drivers to any changes instantly, whether it's food, medicine, or delicate goods. Thermo ensures everything arrives fresh and safe. In a world where precision matters, Atecal delivers cool innovation on every route. Keeping train tracks clean might sound simple until you see this monster in action. The rail cleaning vehicle is a high-powered system that blasts away debris, snow, and oil using rotating brushes and pressurized air. Designed for efficiency and reliability, it keeps rail systems safe and operational year-round. Operators can cover miles of track in hours instead of days. It's one of those unsung heroes of modern infrastructure, quietly ensuring trains run on time. The Thermo King Tri-Pack 3 is every long-haul driver's dream. This all-in-one auxiliary power unit keeps your cabin cool, warm, and powered without idling your engine. That means huge fuel savings and total comfort during rest stops. With improved airflow, smart energy management, and a quiet design, the Tri-Pack 3 redefines off-grid trucking. Plug in your devices, sleep in comfort, and hit the road refreshed. When efficiency meets innovation, it looks exactly like this. Stuck in mud or snow? Not anymore. Right Track Systems gives your truck the ultimate traction upgrade. These bolt-on rubber track conversions let your tires grip any surface, turning your rig into an all-terrain machine. Installation takes minutes, and the results are unreal. Better control, more stability, and zero wheel spin. From logging roads to construction sites, this system gets you where others can't. Right Track isn't just a name, it's a promise. The EX9 is not your average work truck. It's a fully electric beast built for performance and sustainability. With instant torque, zero emissions, and smart battery management, it's paving the way for green logistics. The design is bold, the powertrain silent, and the tech futuristic. Real-time diagnostics and remote monitoring keep everything running smoothly. EX9 proves that going electric doesn't mean compromising power, it means redefining it. The Spartan Hoplo is an armored logistics truck that combines brute force with cutting-edge defense systems. Built for extreme environments and tactical missions, it features reinforced plating, advanced sensors, and high-mobility suspension. Whether in disaster zones or military operations, The Hoplo is built to protect its cargo and crew. It's not just tough, it's unstoppable. Say hello to smarter cargo loading with the Benalu slide door system. This sliding door technology transforms the way operators access truck trailers. With lightweight panels and smooth mechanics, it allows faster, safer loading without heavy lifting. No more wrestling with tarps or bulky doors, just one effortless slide and you're good to go. It's innovation through simplicity, saving time and energy on every job. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.